Are you looking for ways to get all your students participating and developing their communication skills? Kagan Structures are a powerful set of instructional strategies that do just that. Developed by Dr. Spencer Kagan, these structures transform lessons into engaging, interactive experiences where students are actively involved through structured pair and group activities. At their core, Kagan Structures are cooperative learning techniques that increase student engagement and achievement by promoting accountability, equal participation, and simultaneous interaction. Instead of just watching the teacher lecture, students are repeatedly interacting in pairs and teams, building oracy and social skills as they construct understanding together. Some popular Kagan structures include RallyRobin. Students alternately share their response to a prompt, building on each other's contributions. Think, pair, share. Students think individually, pair up to discuss, then share out with the whole class. Numbered heads together. Students discuss a prompt in their teams, then a randomly selected student shares their team's response. Stand and share. Students share their ideas one at a time until all ideas have been shared, holding them accountable to listen to each other. These structures provide a firm scaffold for student interactions, ensuring consistent engagement, participation, and practice. The structured format gives all students a voice and the chance to articulate their thinking, essential skills for academic and lifelong success. By incorporating Kagan structures into your practice, you'll create a more collaborative, energetic classroom environment where all students are active participants in the learning process. Students build key communication, teamwork, and critical thinking competencies as they engage in rich content discussions with peers. Want to energize your lessons and ensure all students are active participants in their learning? Explore the many Kagan structures and start boosting those essential participation and oracy skills today. Your students will be more motivated, communicating more, and achieving at higher levels. For more tips and tricks, visit trilingual.com. By joining forces with Trilingual, schools are equipped to foster affirming learning environments where every learner has the opportunity to excel.